Hi, in this second part of the virtual art gallery series, I'm going to focus it on going to the three resources that I'm giving you and how to get your images. So the first resource is going to be the Google Arts and Culture project. So you could just go ahead and find any piece of artwork randomly, and you're welcome to do that. It will take a little bit more time, but you certainly can. Remember that what you're looking for is you're looking for one piece of artwork at least that demonstrates the 7 elements of art. So remember to go back to the presentation so you can see all of the 7 elements of art. So for instance, in this example, if I'm looking for color, I could see right here, here's Monet's use of blue for this particular piece. And of course, I could choose any one of Monet's pieces. So let's say I was going to choose this particular water lilies piece. So to grab this image here, I would click on it once. And now that I'm in zoom mode, I would normally try to right mouse click on it and be able to save the image. But this doesn't allow that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And so on a Mac computer, on the keyboard, you would press Shift, Command, and then the number 4. And when you do that, your mouse pointer will change to a little crosshair. And I'm going to left mouse click and drag a selection box around the piece there, and then let go. I'll then go ahead and leave zoom mode. And I'm going to leave the information right up here. That's called Water Lilies. I see that it's Claude Monet. I see the year that it was painted. And that's really the information that I need. So what's happened is that since I took a screenshot, you'll see that the image has gone here on my desktop. It's called Screenshot. And if I open it up, you'll see that it opens up, and there it is. And that's great. I want to rename this, so I'm going to click on the name once, and then I'm going to press the return key, and I'm going to go ahead and call this Monet Water Lilies. And there we go. Okay. Okay. So I mispronounced or I misspelled lilies. Okay, there we are. So that's how you grab things from Google Art Project. What I'd want to do now is I would want to then go to my art steps, and I'd want to actually go ahead and add the image. So I'd come down here and I'd say add image. I would then say upload an image from your file system. I'd say choose file. I would then go to my desktop and find that file that I had. Here it is right here. And I'd hit open. Now it does take a moment because it actually has to upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, then you're going to want to put in the information. So for instance, the title here, you can, if you remember it, great, go from your memory. However, for a lot of you, it's going to be a good idea to have your Art Steps tab open and where you got the information, and do it in the same session. So I'm going to go ahead and I can select the information, I can copy it, and then I can paste it right over here. And there we go. The height, you can just go ahead and leave that there. We can always change that later. And now for the description, what I want you guys to do is I would like you to go ahead and put in the name of the artist. And again, you can go ahead and copy this. And you can paste in the name of the artist. And then underneath it, I want you to write 2 things. I want you to write the element of art that you are applying this to. So I'm going to go ahead and put in color. And then I'm going to go ahead and write a 1 to 2 sentence description as to why I chose this particular piece for color. All right. In this one, I would probably talk about Monet's usage of the various blue colors and the green hues to talk about making it look like the water lilies, and the various flowers. The fact that he didn't just use one blue, it makes it visually more interesting and appealing to the eye. And there we go. So that's what I would do for that one. In the next video, I will show you the other two resources. One is called WikiArt, and the other one is called Artists a Day. So I will see you in that video tutorial.